Money doesn't grow overnight. It grows quietly, from small choices you repeat every single day. Most people think becoming a millionaire is about luck, a big business, or some secret strategy only rich people know. In reality, many millionaires are built in silence long before anyone notices. They are not always the loudest or the flashiest. They just follow a few smart habits over and over for years. In this video, you are going to learn 10 simple daily habits that quietly turn normal people into millionaires. These habits don't require a big salary, rich parents, or crazy risk. They only require consistency, patience, and a decision that your future matters more than quick pleasure today. Let's get into it. Habit number 1. Know where every dollar goes. Millionaires know exactly where their money is going. They don't leave their finances on autopilot and hope it works out. Every day, take 2 minutes to track your spending. Write down what you spent today, even if it's just for tea, snacks, or a ride. You can use a notes app, a simple Excel sheet, or a free budgeting app. The tool doesn't matter, the awareness does. When you track your money daily, you stop asking, "Where did my salary go?" and start telling your money where to go. This is the first step from broke mindset to investor mindset. Habit number 2, pay yourself first daily. Most people get paid, spend on everything else, and save whatever is left. That's why there is usually nothing left. Millionaires flip this script. They pay themselves first. Even if your income is small, set a fixed amount or percentage that is only for your future. It could be 5%, 10%, or even just 1% in the beginning. Move that money every day or every time you receive any income into a separate savings or investment account. This simple habit teaches your brain, I am more important than my impulses. My future comes first. Over years, this becomes the seed of your investment portfolio. Habit number 3, automate investing. Willpower is weak. Systems are strong. Millionaires don't rely on motivation every day. They build systems that move money toward investments automatically. Set up automatic transfers into things like index funds, mutual funds, retirement accounts, or other long-term investments that match your risk level. Decide once and let the system keep working in the background. You might not see a big difference in 1 month, but in 5 or 10 years, this quiet habit can be the reason your net worth crosses 6 or 7 figures. Habit number 4, learn about money for 15 minutes a day. Millionaires are students of money. Every day, give yourself just 10 to 15 minutes to learn about finance and investing. Read a few pages of a money book. Watch an educational video on investing. Study how interest, taxes, or the stock market work. Learn the basics of property, business, or online income. It's okay if you don't understand everything at first. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to be a little less confused about money than you were yesterday. Over time, this daily learning becomes your secret advantage. Habit number 5, avoid lifestyle creep. Lifestyle creep is when your spending rises every time your income rises. Millionaires fight this on purpose. Each day, practice one small act of self-control. Say no to one unnecessary purchase. Skip the extra delivery, the random impulse buy, or the fancy upgrade you don't really need. It's not about never enjoying life. It's about choosing what truly matters. Millionaires don't try to impress people they don't even like. They let their investments, not their lifestyle, do the flexing. Habit number 6, build high-income skills. You can't save your way to wealth on a very low income. Millionaires know this, so they focus on skills that make them more valuable. Every day, spend time improving at least one skill that can increase your earning power. It could be sales, coding, editing, design, marketing, communication, or negotiation. Maybe it's getting better at your current job so you can ask for a raise or move to a better company. The more valuable your skills, the more money you can earn. And the more money you can earn, the more you can invest. Habit number 7, think in long-term gains. not short-term highs. Most people chase quick pleasure. Millionaires chase long-term rewards. Every day, ask yourself one question before you spend. Will this still matter to me in 5 years? A late-night impulse order probably won't. A course that upgrades your skills might. A random gadget will not. Buying shares in a strong company might. This habit trains your brain to think like an investor, not a consumer. And that small shift changes everything. Habit number 8, protect your time like money. Time is your real currency. Millionaires treat their time with respect. Every day, look at how you spend your hours. How much time do you waste scrolling, gossiping, or doing things that don't move your life forward? What if you took just one of those hours and used it to plan your money, work on a side hustle, or study investing? Money lost can often be earned back. Time lost is gone forever. When you respect your time, your money starts respecting you. Habit number 9, surround yourself with growth-minded people. Your environment either pulls you up or drags you down. Millionaires are very careful about who they listen to. Every day, try to consume content, conversations, and ideas from people who think bigger, not smaller. This could mean watching successful investors, joining an online community, talking to a mentor, or simply following people who are serious about building wealth. Slowly, your standard will rise. What once felt impossible will start to feel normal. Habit number 10, review your money numbers. Finally, millionaires know their numbers. Once a day, or at least a few times a week, look at the key parts of your financial life. Your bank balance, your debts, your investments, and your goals. You don't need to obsess, but you do need to stay conscious. When you see your progress, you feel motivated. When you see problems early, you can fix them before they grow. This daily review keeps you in control instead of living in denial. Let's put this into a simple daily routine you can follow. Track what you spent today. Pay yourself first, even a small amount. Add to your investments or check your automated plan. Learn something small about money. Practice one act of self-control. Spend time on a skill that can increase your income. Ask, is this decision helping my 5-year future? Protect at least one focused hour for growth. Connect with a growth-minded person, book, or video. Review your key money numbers. It won't always be exciting. It won't always feel like you're making progress. But that's the truth about how wealth is built. Quietly, daily, and consistently. If you're still watching, it means you care about your financial future. So don't just listen to these habits. Pick one and start today. Right after this video, do one of these 3 things. Write down every expense you had today, even the small ones. Set up an automatic transfer, even a tiny one, to a savings or investment account. Spend 10 minutes learning something new about investing or money. If this video helped you see money differently, a like helps more people find it. And you can consider subscribing for simple, real-world strategies.